Hey y'all, this is what Halloween looks like at our house. We typically have over 700 trick-or-treaters. It's crazy, but it's so much fun. So we've invited some friends and we're expecting lots of trick-or-treaters again this year. I've wanted to make some meringue ghost cookies for a while now, so I thought I would make them for you today. Since Halloween is actually the day this video is uploaded, I'm going to show you how you can make Christmas trees and just plain meringue cookies as well.
I like your costume. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you.
First, we need to separate some eggs. I've got 4 eggs here. In order to make meringue, you can't have any fat in the egg whites. So that means your bowl has to be super duper clean and you can't get any of the egg yolk into the egg white. You can see here where I am getting the egg yolk in the egg white. This is why I use 3 bowls so that I can add 1 egg white at a time. If I accidentally get egg yolk into the bowl, I would have ruined all 4 egg whites. My stand mixer may have worked better for meringue, but I really wanted you guys to see it through this glass bowl. Next we add cream of tartar, just half a teaspoon. It helps to stabilize the egg whites and make them really stiff, which is what we want. Next I'm adding about half a teaspoon of almond extract. I would have used vanilla probably, but the almond extract is clear and I want my little ghost to be super white. Now we add 3/4 of a cup of sugar, a little at a time. Once we have the sugar all incorporated, then we just mix and mix and mix until it's very stiff. It seems like this takes forever. I think we're finally there. I think the almond tastes really good. Okay, you'll want to use parchment paper because the meringue, after they bake, they will not stick to the parchment paper. Now we'll get our piping bag ready. I bought this cheap set that has different tips. I chose one that was plain but fairly small. Now we fill the bag with just a couple of spoonsful. And then get all the air out of it. I'm just kind of winging it here, trying to make a little ghost. I think it gets better as I go. I bought these little candy eyes from Walmart. They go on really easily. If you can kind of get them in the right place, they stick really well to the meringue. This would be so much fun to do with kids. I also bought some sprinkles that contain some black bead-like things in them, and I thought those might work really well too. Aren't they cute? This is how you would make just a plain meringue cookie. You don't have to put any kind of decorations if you don't want. This is a tip I chose to make a Christmas tree. You could decorate these and make them really cute. I'm definitely making some of these for Christmas. I've preheated the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit We will bake these for an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then we're going to turn the oven off and let them sit in the oven for a couple of hours after that. While the meringue cookies bake, I really wanted to give you an update on the pansies and the violas and my hanging baskets out front. They've grown and bloomed so much. I think these turned out so cute. They are dry and you can just pick them right off of the parchment paper. They're so adorable. I just love them. Here's our cute little Christmas tree. I thought I would make some coffee and have one of my meringue cookies. They're dry and crispy and they taste so good. I can't wait for Halloween tonight and all the trick-or-treaters. It's going to be so much fun. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.